Hey, fifth grade Sharpies. This is a video that I would like for you to watch before the week gets started. So it's going to be posted on Class Dojo. It's going to be posted on the Math Google Classroom, which is the one that you've been logging into normally. I know you got some new ones from Miss Ellis and Miss Alexander. But this is just an updated version of your slides for the week. So they are looking different. I think it'll be easier for us to stay organized though. So I just kind of want to walk through some things for you this week, so that way it wouldn't be all just brand new, waking up on Monday saying I've never seen any of this stuff before. Okay, so our first one is that you notice that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's how we're opening up the week. All Monday is in yellow, all Tuesday orange, Wednesday purple, Thursday blue, Friday green. So again, going to look a little different. I'm hoping that this helps us stay a little bit more organized. On Monday, it's very similar to what you did before. You still have a morning meeting. It's not like we're actually meeting on the morning, but is where you share a good thing and you answer the questions. Okay, so you'll click there, and it takes you to your Google form just like it has been. And you still have a thing where you need to share. And I still have a whatever day it is. So on Monday, it is National Pumpkin Day. And then it has a little story about how much this pumpkin weighs. And then you have something where it says, what is something that you would grow to weigh that same amount that you could earn $8,000? And then you just hit submit. And again, that's kind of helping me with attendance, make sure that you are up and that you are getting ready to go. The next one that is on here is your spiral. Remember, spirals will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for right now. That may change because right now we've only learned like one module of math. So we don't have as much to spiral. But as we continue to learn, we'll have more and more to spiral. Now, it says click here. But before we click there, it says, remember, there are many different ways to write the answers. If it counts it wrong because of the way you wrote it, please do not stress it. I'm not going to count off for right answers. I will check through all of them. Okay. And spiral is more of you do it, you get a good grade. And now I'm still going to be looking to see if your answers are close to what they should be. But I'm not concerned if you hit an extra space and it counted it wrong. Okay. That's not what I'm worried about. But I'm going to go ahead and click here so that way you can see what it looks like. And remember, this is a must do. You have 3 of them, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So here is your spiral. Make sure to please type in your name. Something that I want to talk about is last Monday when students were using this number, they didn't use them for every single problem. On Monday, you use this number for every single question. So 75,986, you're going to use it for every question on Monday. My suggestion would maybe to write it on a sheet of paper and underline the digits, so that way when you're going up and down, you don't have to keep going back and forth to what the number is. Okay, so I would write it down. All you got to do is write down the number on the side. 1A, type the number. 1B, type it in word form. 1C, type it in expanded form. 1D, type the value of the first underlined number. 1E, the value of the other one. So if you were writing it down on a sheet of paper or board marker, I would underline those numbers. So again, you don't have to keep scrolling back and forth. And then the last 3 are multiplying that number by 10 to the first power, 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power. Please do not type in 10, 100, and 1,000 here. You are multiplying this number, that first number, by 10 to the first, 10 to the second, 10 to the third. That's what you're doing every single time for Monday. All right, so that is your Mondays. Then make sure you hit submit. All right, that's the first slide for Monday. Second slide is our meeting times, because remember, we meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for math. You either come at 8:45 to 9:30 or 9:45 to 10:30. And then everyone should be here on Friday. Guys, these really aren't supposed to be if I can make it kind of things. These are you attending class. I have started putting in dojo points for if you're coming and participating and you're staying on the whole time. If you're leaving early or getting logged off and you don't let me know that you're going somewhere, or you don't let me know that you're having technology issues, then I'm marking it down and I'm going to give you a negative point for what you're supposed to be doing, because this is like you showing up to class, okay? And another thing is we did a pretty good job with it this week. Our cameras need to be on. I need to be able to see you. Now, you can stay muted so that way everyone can hear while I'm talking, but you need to have your camera on, and you need to be participating. If you're not looking at the screen, it doesn't look like you're participating. You could be looking at something else. So you need to make sure your camera is on and that you're participating. And again, you should be coming to class every day. So on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you should be coming in at either 8:45 or 9:45. It is expected, because just think about it as in if you were coming to school, real school, you would be coming in. You wouldn't miss that many days. So please make sure you're showing up and that you're participating and that you're working hard. The next slide for Monday is your actual work. So you have an ed puzzle to do for Monday. And again, you'll click the link. This is similar to what we've done in the past. Has the ed puzzle for multiplying decimals. Answer them. Submit it. You have Google Slides to complete. This is Monday, and it's multi-digit decimal, so it's continuing what we did last week. And then if you need extra help, I put some help videos on some of the slides where if you do need extra help. It's not Mr. Jensen doing it, it's outside resources that you can use.
Genius, a new teaching resource of science videos. Welcome to Math with Mr. J.
So another Mr. Jensen here to help you, or excuse me, not another Mr. Jensen, but another Mr. J to help you if you need some extra help besides from Mr. Jensen. All right. Our last slide is also really important because you're supposed to be doing reflex and freckle throughout the week. And some people, when I was looking at it, and I know that that's kind of my fault because I wasn't checking it as well as I should have, but I checked it this week, and there's some people that haven't logged into freckle since September. And I'm sure it's the same thing for freckle too. So I'm going to make sure you know how to get logged in, because that is expected. That is going to be part of your grade going forward, is doing reflex and freckle, because those are things that are expected that students are expected to do here at school. So that's an expectation that you need to make sure you're doing as well. So first we're going to talk about reflex. It says log into reflex math fluency for 20 minutes. That's about how long it should take you. Maybe even quicker if you're a faster typer. It says this is where you will complete our math fluency. You need to work until you receive a green circle. The teacher username is mark.jensen. You click on the virtual 5th grade math, and your password is your lunch number. So I'm going to click the link here. And some of you, if you were able to log in through Freckle, or excuse me, not through Freckle, but through Clever, you can do it that way, and it should have saved it. If you're not doing it that way, this is fine. All you have to do, teacher username, mark.jensen. Hit go. Virtual 5th grade. And you find your name, and then you will type in your lunch number. So I'm just going to show Hunters for a second. All right. So reflex looks like this. Hit start, and you need to make sure.
Let's see if you're fast enough for the fact fair today. Type the numbers you see as fast as you can.
Okay, So that's how it starts off. Type in how fast you're typing it in. It's just the numbers, but then you need to make sure you're continuing to go and continue to work on reflex. So again, that is expected for you to complete. Now for Freckle, down here, it says log in with Freckle here. And again, if you did it through Clever, it should be saved. If you didn't, here's the link to actual Freckle, and the class code is here, DKXG4T. Okay? Before we do that, over here to the side, every single day, it will tell you what you need to work on. Make sure when you're logging on to Freckle that you go to M. Jensen, Math, Adaptive Math, and on Monday, you need to be working on Base 10. So we're going to click here. You're going to type in the code DKXG4T. You'll type in your name. Hunter, I'm going to use your name again. Hunter Daniel. Okay, so look for Jensen. Jensen is down here. You go to Math, like it said, Adaptive Math, and then on Monday you go to Base 10. Now, there's something at the top left-hand corner, and it says Connect to STAR Assessments. I would love it if you did that first. So I'm going to go ahead and connect Hunter to it. So it's going to ask you to log into Renaissance. So you should have that login information, because that's how you take STAR. So you just have to log in one time, and now it's connected to your STAR. So however you did on your STAR, it'll kind of help you as you're working. Okay, that's where it's going to guide it from. So again, you go to Math, Adaptive Math, and today you need to do Base 10. That's what it is for Monday. Okay, and then you'll continue wherever you are at. All right, so these are super important because they are expected here at school, so they are expected to be done at home as well. And that gives you that extra time and that extra practice, especially the fluency. This reflex is super important because we're multiplying and dividing, and we'll need that for the rest of the school year. So it really is important that you are practicing your reflex every single day. Remember, reflex, you need to have that green circle. On Freckle, you need to be working for 20 minutes. So that is your Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are set up the same way. Tuesday, you have your share your good things. You will not have a spiral, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Remember, you only have spiral on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you have your good things and your answer questions, and then you have a video that I have set up that you can watch. Multiplying with models, watch the video, 2 videos, and then complete Google Slides on multiplying with decimals. The third thing is reflex and Freckle, like we just went over. There's no Zoom today, so that's why it's at the end. Remember, that's Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays that we meet. Something else that I want to talk about real quick is on Thursday, there's not as many ed puzzles this week, but there's YouTube links on here. And a lot of these YouTube links are still Mr. Jensen. So you click here, you go to part 1, and it will be a video with Mr. Jensen. It is still very important that you're watching those videos all the way through. First of all, it's important because that's all the material that you're getting. Now, there is an extra one over here to get help, but that is what you need to be working on. You need to be watching it all the way through. That would be like you coming to class and then skipping through. You need to watch it all the way through. And the second thing is, it takes a long time to make these videos, so please make sure that you're using them. All right? So again, they're not on Edpuzzle, but still Mr. Jensen, and you need to be watching through them. So that is what your slides are going to look like. If you have any questions about any of it for this week, please reach out. Please reach out at the beginning, so that way we can help you for the rest of the week. Thanks, guys.